Hello, my name is Ian and welcome to 10 Minute Meals. On today's menu we have homemade burgers. Ingredients you will need is minced beef and eggs. We're going to add peppers and onion to our burger. And we're in prep time. We're going to slice and dice our pepper. We're going to slice and dice an onion. Add that mixture of mince and eggs. Mix it all up so it combines. Then we can make patties to put into the fridge. And we will start in 3, 2, 1, go. We'll start off by cutting mince, opening that. Make sure you remove the paper. I'm going to place that in our bowl. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to cut our onion with a better knife because I've just sharpened. I'm going to cut one end off. And cut that end off. And then what I like to do is cut it in half. Remove the outer skin. This is taking a long time, longer than I anticipated. What we will do, so depending on how much you're doing, this depends on how much onion you'll use. But we're going to cut this one rather fine. We're going to put our onion in the bowl. Next off, what we're going to do is we're going to use that. Add that to the bowl. And then we are going to mix. We're going to mix by using the best thing we've got, which is our hands. I'm going to mix that in as best you can. We have got a nice. Time has gone a bit slippy there. Crack it. That one. That two. Just put that on the plate I was using. Got another plate. Three. And again, we're using our hands. We're gonna mix. I'm gonna mix. Well. As you can see. Right, now we've done with that, what we're going to do is we're going to take a handful of meat, maybe a little bit more than that. We're going to squash it round to make our patty. And that goes in the fridge for about half an hour before you cook it. And it should stay together. That's firm. You can add mozzarella in the middle of it. We'll stop our timer just over 5 minutes. So you can add mozzarella in it, you can add in breadcrumbs, which will help it retain some of its moisture. But that is essentially cooked. Well, it's not cooked, but it's made. Right, so first what we're going to do is we've put a little bit of spray oil in the pan. We're going to turn our pan on, we're going to turn that one on. We're going to chuck some peppers in, because we're going to have some peppers on top of our burgers. And we'll let that heat up. This is the bit that takes a little bit of time. Get some cheese, put the cheese over the top, that will melt, and then we will have cooked burger.